All the essentials you need for a great camping trip in a motorhome at 24 feet 1 inch in length. This is what you're looking for. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is the 2025 Quantum LZ22 ESpec Essentials. That means you get all the goodies that you would need for a fantastic getaway, like a generator, a fully featured bathroom, and a decked out interior. So let's head inside and check out this LZ22, because this is everything you need for great adventures. We're talking seat belts for 5, sleeping for 4. You're gonna have sleeping right up top in the over cab bunk, 800-pound capacity. The ladder stores away. I love how easy this is to make up, and it's huge up here too. You just pop that into place, put your ladder here. There are cup holders, a little storage. You have blinds to pull down, lights. Even the smart TV is up here. So if you'd like to watch a little TV, you can turn your phone into a hotspot and stream all of your favorites. Or if you want to just catch over-the-air channels, you have the Winegard 360 digital TV antenna on top. So if you'd like a little on-the-go entertainment, well, someone is sitting here for the ride. They can most certainly watch TV. Just make sure you have that 4,000 watt gas generator fired up. There's also auto gen start on that. You are going to need to pull that up on your app. That way when you head out for the day, you can set the parameters from temperature to voltage, whatever you need to keep your LZ22 nice and cool when you're out for a hot summer day. The other thing I love about the dinette, outside of it's everything you need from cup holders to making into a bed, which is real easy to do. You just turn the handle and you push this down, you move your cushions. Now you have a nice cozy sleeping area. Speakers under here for the ride and plenty of storage in these beautiful overhead cabinets. This is white truffle with the Cali collection. Nice, light, airy, homey, beautiful looking Quantum. 13,500 BTU AC unit, and even more storage right over here. I like how this is set up so you can use it for dishes or part of it as a pantry, whatever it is you need. And don't forget, in your LZ22, everything you need to know, from manuals to warranty cards to registration, inside this black bag. So read through the manuals, fill out the cards, send them in. Keep your LZ22 running top notch. This is a great kitchen in here because it's going to be campside. Large sink with a rollout cover. You have a pull down sprayer, flip up countertop extension so you can see a lot of room out here. Then over here we have our 2-burner gas cooktop. You need your propane on for this. You also need your propane on for your heat. You have a microwave. This is going to be a convection microwave with an air fryer button. Plenty of storage down below in these soft closed drawers. Great living area in LZ22, and more storage I want to show you. This is one of my favorites. Check this out. So you have this big pass-through closet here. This is awesome, so you can get all of your stuff, whatever it is you need from each side. The ladder for the bunk stores in there, and you can use this area right here as a pantry. So all kinds of storage in here. 12-volt fridge, and right into this bathroom. So you have the printed surround, you have a vent fan in here, a skylight, your toilet, your sink, medicine cabinet, all kinds of storage. Very, very comfortable bathroom. It's nice when you're out on the road having your own bathroom and having access to it at any time. And that's what I love about a motorhome of this size. Again, being 24 feet 1 inch in length, you can pull this just about anywhere, and then you have access to your own kitchen, your own bathroom, and even into the queen size bed if you need to take a nap. So set up here. Now you do have to have the wall slide out in order to fold this down, and then you have a comfortable sleeping area. You have a lot of storage right up above. In the back, thermostat. If you'd like to add an additional TV, this is all prepped for you. All the connections are right there. You have a vent, even have a privacy curtain. So if you want to make this into your own area, make it into separate areas, you can do that. A couple of things I just want to show you as we head outside. Push this down so we can access the door. Nice and easy. Your control panel is on the door, as well as buttons for your awning, some overhead lights, and the yellow button. Press that on your way out and you can set the auto gen start. So over here on our campsite, we have a nice little storage bay down there. So store something fun in there. awning right up top so you can put that out and create some shade, or maybe you like to sit outside in the light rain, you can do that as well and just listen to the rain on the roof. That is always a great noise. Couple of 110s right over here. And then on the other side, you're gonna have a mega storage bay. You have a steel bumper. You have an 8,000-pound hitch. It's everything you need in a small package, right? You still have all the essentials for a great trip. That's what the LZ22 ESpec series is all about. There's a lot more to dive into, so if you want all the specs, the features, and the MSRP, you'll find it right now at thormotorcoach.com.